What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market and see what the market did yesterday on Wednesday and what the market will be doing going into tomorrow Friday and next week Monday. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon in the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's have a look at the market. So Dow was up 0.28%, Nasdaq up 1%, and S&P was up 0.5% on Wednesday. Also, if you look at this groups right here, completely risk on move. Consumer cyclical, communication services, technologies, utilities on top. And especially if you look at this map, guys, look at this: Microsoft up 1%, Apple up 0.5%, Nvidia 3%, Google up 1.5%, Amazon up 1%. And just like I said in my 6 big tech stocks video, that Tesla is boiling, we're going to see that up almost 8% on the day. Meta was also up. And the whole market is pretty much in the green. And now let's have a look at SPY S&P 500 ETF. So the move here on SPY continuing, and now we got that breakout above 400, and this is looking extremely bullish going into next week Monday, and this thing can definitely move higher, and we could see this gap up here right around 407 getting filled, and possibly at some point next week or even tomorrow, guys, we could touch 407 to 410, this resistant trend line, and that is gonna be where market will pick a direction. We could get a massive breakout into bull market, or we could come back, maybe retest 400, 390, and then possibly go back up again and then get that breakout. So people that are talking about crash and it's coming, I thought it was coming in 3 days. Some people said it was coming in 3 days, which was yesterday. Well, crash never happened, and looks like it's on pause or delayed. It's not going to come anytime soon. So if you're shorting, good luck with that. Keep shorting and keep losing money here on the market. It's not coming back, at least not down to 348 anytime soon. If you look at my screen, lower Bollinger Band moving up, now sitting at 368, and the upper Bollinger Band rapidly expanding all the way up to 408. So SPY can definitely move, and don't forget about this gap up here right around 419. So there is a lot of money to be made, and there is a pullback. Definitely it's a dip buy here on SPY. Just like I said, if we go back and retest 390, which we did last week, I think it was on Monday, and if you got this dip, you made a ton of money because that was a huge support and a dip buy zone here on SPY, and now we are back up over within a week 400, and this thing is up massively. Now going into tomorrow, we could see some choppiness sideways. It's only half a day, so I'm not even trading tomorrow. Taking the day off and just enjoying my day, weekend, and this Thanksgiving. I'm not going to make any moves tomorrow for that small half a day here in the market. So watch the support 400, and below that 397. And to the upside, we have resistance at 407 and then 410. Below 397, we also have strong support at 393, orange line 13 SMA, and then down here at 390 here on SPY. And now we're going to look at IWM, Russell 2000 ETF. And extremely bullish, guys. It's not coming down anytime soon. And look at this monstrous move here on IWM from 162 all the way up to almost 190. And then we got that nice pullback, and now we're going back up. Also, lower Bollinger Band moving up, sitting at 175 almost. So it's not coming down to 150 anytime soon, let alone 160. Now we have support here on IWM at 183, also resistance at 186-ish right here, where we got rejected, and above that this thing can move all the way up to 188, and then watch out, even 193 possible here on IWM. And now we're going to look at DIA. So Dow here, guys, this thing, I said it before, that out of all the indices, Dow is looking extremely bullish, and this thing in a full bull trend, and this is how you can see it. All the moving averages, even Redline 50, positively sloping to the upside. They have good separation from each other, and also lower Bollinger Band continuously moving up, and this thing here also moving up with this upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band moving up. That means we're not going to see 285 anytime soon. Now DIA here, finally on Wednesday, yesterday, we got that massive breakout above 340, and now we are looking extremely bullish going into next week. Now if there is a pullback just like we got here and here, those are buying opportunity. It's not a crash. People are putting out trash videos out there saying that crash is here. Imagine you're watching and you never bought anything thinking about crash is here, and now you missed this whole move. I caught this bottom here on DIA, but unfortunately I sold out. I mean, I made over 200-300% on my options, but it could have been even more, guys. This thing here on that massive dip, I had 300 calls, and now this thing is up over 340. That would be massive here on DIA. Now this thing, we have support at 340, and looks like we're heading for 345 and then 350. Below 340, we have support at 338, 335, 330, red white line, 20 SMA on this daily chart here on DIA. And now we're going to look at triple Q, which is up, but it's lagging when you compare it with DIA and S&P 500. Now we still haven't got that breakout above 290, and if that breaks, we're heading higher, possibly back up to 293, 296, and definitely there is more room here on triple Q, because look at this, guys, the gap all the way up here at 307. So a lot more money to be made. And also if you look at this, this was a bull flag right here on triple Q, and now we are breaking out. So going into Monday and tomorrow, watch support 285, and above 290 we're heading up for 293 and then 296. Below 285 we have strong support at 281 and then 280. And now we're going to look at VIX volatility index. Now yes, people would argue and say VIX heading down to 20. We got this gap fill, and we're going to see a massive move to the upside here on VIX, and we might see a crash. No, VIX in a strong bear trend, and it's not going to break easily. Yes, we could see a pop here on VIX, even $25 possible. And that means what? It's not a damn crash. It's a buying opportunity in the market. You do not want to go short, especially when the market is looking bullish. Now VIX here, we have strong support at 20, and the next level will be down here at 19. We could see a bounce. We're getting disconnected from 5 SMA on this daily chart, so definitely going into tomorrow, I would not expect a big move to the downside or anything. But going into next week, also guys, the big boys will be back in the market from vacation, so you have to watch. We might see a spike here on VIX, but it's not a crash. Don't get that wrong idea. It's a crash. We might see a spike. This thing is getting oversold, sitting below 5 SMA on this daily chart. It's sitting at 22.21, and VIX sitting at 20. So we could see a spike back up to 22, even 23, and who knows, even 25. And that would be a buying opportunity in the market, not to go short. Now, it's not a guarantee that we could see a spike. VIX might be just sitting like we did right here. A lot of choppiness, just going flat sideways, and we could see market heading higher, and then we could see a spike. So it's not a guarantee that just because we are getting oversold, we're going to see a spike here on VIX, and this 5 SMA could come down, and then this thing would not spike. So a lot of things you got to take into consideration here on VIX. It's not going anywhere. No massive breakout over 30 anytime soon. the market definitely looks like it's better to go long than short at this time. And now we're going to look at dollar index. So the dollar once again breaking down and looks like we're sitting below finally 106. And the next level would be down here right around 104. And if that gives up, we could be going all the way down to flat 100. Now on this daily chart, this thing here, definitely we could see a retracement back up to like 106.71. But this thing here, guys, this is a clear bear flag and looks like we might be coming down even more. Let's see if I can draw you guys this bear flag on dollar. I mean, it is already breaking down right here. If you put it right here, it's already breaking down. But if you bring it right here, yeah, it can go down even more. But I would say it's already out of the flag, and we could see dollar going down even more. So in that case, this thing can definitely hit flat 100, and that could be coming going into next few days, and we could see market going up even higher. And that center rally I've been talking about, I mean, it's already there. We could see more of it going into next few days. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out my Patreon, and definitely from next month we'll be going live in my Discord with my real-time buy and sell trade ideas. And have a good weekend. Also, happy Thanksgiving.